Still needs help, guys, but she is coming along. Heather, you want to flip that light switch on, please? Get some better lighting for you guys. There we go.
I look awful. I don't want to be in your video. I will be
Alright, guys. So this stuff off. We'll see what we can do about getting a... Alright, don't need this right now. Take this off. Okay, some little updates here. We have the fan in place. It's not, clipped down yet. I have those, and it is temporarily wired in to this controller I got from Jegs. I don't know the model number. Again, you can see it's kind of just temporarily wired in. It is temporarily grounded through the one of the temp sensors that came on this engine. I don't know if it's a factory one or not, but eventually I'll put a sensor in here. Cleaned up the wiring a little bit. This is actually mounted now. I had my 14-year-old son weld that. He did a great job. He's still a beginner, but I think we all are at this point. So let's see what happens if Heather turns the key. Maybe we can get a start. There she is, guys. For now, anyways. You look good, babe. Obviously, the engine is cold. We literally just started it. That's what I gotta tune out. That. See a little smoky. Yeah. I'm gonna smoke out the neighbors. She is running on still like really rich. But today maybe we'll look at it. We'll try to tune it a little bit, just to show you how rich it's running. I don't know if we can see that. 10.6. That thing is stupid rich, but again, it is also cold, so until it warms up, once it warms up, it leans out a little bit. And I've been playing with it. I'm slowly getting better. But she starts and idles. A little bit of a backfire, a little bit of a turbo flutter. Oh, I do have the bumper on. It's not on all the way. I do not have this bracket in yet. I just wanted it on there. I did go to a local show. So let's hook up the computer and see what we see. All right, cut the wheel hard. All right, there you go. Keep going, you got it. can hear it spitting a little bit. All right, we'll get it out here on flat land. Shoo-wee! I'll tell you what, she looks good in the sunlight. All right, babe, that should be good. All right, just a quick thing. Here's my DeFi gauge controllers. I do have DeFi gauges here. Water temperature, kind of hard to see. Water temp and oil pressure. So yeah, let's get this laptop hooked up. We'll see what we find out. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see that. Engine speed, I got it down to about a 1K RPM. Ignition advance right now is 20. Fuel load, mid 30s. Throttle's at 1.1. Pulse width is about 1 to 2 milliseconds. Air fuel is bouncing a little bit. Coolant temp right now is 169. I don't really know where to go from here. I have some ignition settings here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a really, it's so sunny out here, I can't get a good thing, but